Okay, hi everyone. My name is Ikhwan Periana. I'm a co-founder and Chief Technology Officer of Pinjam Modal. Pinjam Modal is a peer-to-peer lending that connect between lenders and borrowers. We are focusing on productive market that offer digital lending product to an SMEs. So technology that built in Pinjam Modal, we are built not using vendors. We have our own engineers, so we built using an open source project. So we create focusing on the lenders, on the borrowers. So we adapt machine learning and credit to a credit scoring model. So for example, we can apply borrowers into 17-second approval. So we can approve borrowers within real time using different set of data set. For example, their digital footprint data. So we offer for example, a merchant financing to an e-commerce. So we connect with the ecosystem. So we connect with the ecosystem. We give them the loan. For example, the merchant that's selling on online. So we are using digital footprint data to approve in a real-time processing. I think the challenge for us is data and security. As we know, we are a financial institution, so we've been seeing so many data breach, and also the security level supposed to be improved. Since we are running on the open source project in the cloud base especially, but we are adopting a DevSecOps practice. So we are focusing from a development side best practice in securing the deployment as well. So I think the security and data breach are the concern from us in terms of financial institutions. Okay, in the future I think AI is going to be our priority. For example, we can advance in any area in, for example, the onboarding process, underwriting process, until the collection process. As we know, the financials, for example, in lending, we will using more data, more seamless tasks, so we can easily know which borrowers are riskier or not, so we can approve them in a real time, whether to maintain also the risk. For example, we can diversify our portfolio in other specific borrowers, and also in collections, we can build our own robo collections by using a machine learning and artificial intelligence and the robocall. So we are not using human anymore to doing a reminder into collections area. Yeah, fraud also is a quite challenge, but we are built our own facial recognition system that can be detect or it's the borrower is the same person who are applying before, and also we are by using digital data on their device, what's browser behavior data. For example, they are already accessing using an emulator or not, so we can detect easily through a technology in our platform, so we know exactly their location, are they using fake GPS or not. So those are data that running into our backend system that we can easily to understand is the borrower doing fraud or not. Some of the vendors that have been used, big vendors, for example, the cloud providers. But why we pick build, not buy? Because as a technology adapt many it's in faster way. We've seen that if we build our own technology, it's better for us to be more adapt more quickly to evolve. As we know, so now it's crypto is coming up, and also before cloud, it's still on-premise. Now they're going to cloud. I think to have your own capability within your company as a technology, I think that's more benefit for us, because we don't have any dependency in any cloud any vendors. Yeah, as you know, we are being regulated also by OJK, is the regulation by Indonesian government. So they allow our data center in Indonesia. The cloud provider itself, they already have their own data center in Indonesia. And also, we've been using a lot of tools for securing our networks, and using CDN, one of the biggest vendor as well. That things keep on going to finding a new technology which can be improve our security as well.